Good morning, my dear friends. We have just started our Power BI sessions and it is going good. I hope you all guys are enjoying the Power BI session. And if you have some questions, please feel free to write your questions in comments in my channel, and I will go ahead and try to address those issues as well. So I was quickly working on some of the dashboards for the Manu company, as I told you, for different KPIs we have profit, sale, and quantity sold. We have prepared some visualizations here as well. So this is very interactive dashboard as I use bookmark here. If you see here, I have, when I click on profit, I have all the profit dashboards, visualizations active. Now, if I would like to click on my total sale, I will have all my total sale activated here if you see. So this is how it goes. And if I want to show you guys my visualizations with quantity sold, I select this bookmark and I have everything with the quantity sold. So this is how this works, friends. If you say this is how this works, there's a very wonderful features in Power BI, and it is very easy to learn and explore as well. And this is how it works. And I hope you are enjoying the Power BI session, guys. So please stay tuned to my channel and please learn and explore. And slowly we'll deep dive into different data science tools. We will also learn SQL and Python in coming futures in my session. So please subscribe my channel and share to your friends as well. I would like to share my knowledge and let's keep this very interactive sessions. If you have some questions, doubts, please feel free to put comment in my channel. I'll go ahead and try to address the issues. If you have some, improvements, please also share within that. So thanks a lot for watching my channel, friends. Please subscribe my channel and have a great day ahead. Thank you.